I'm going to send a MIDI signal from Max, the Ppooll, to one of these two sooperloooperloops I've set up in Ableton. Sooperlooper functions as a plugin, and I've got two of them lined up here. One is an audio 3, the other one, and he's routing audio to 4. So he's that's the idea, is that he's recording something and he's overdubbing, and the idea is that in the overdub loops I want to fluctuate the feedback percentage like so, and I'm going to do that with a MIDI out from Ppooll. The modulator is sending a waveform, and I'm sending it to ctrlout. I choose a value 1, 2, 3, 4 is what that's very steady. I mean, be my guest and check out every other option. There's of course the MIDI send signals, the control signals, etc., etc. But I'm just trying to keep it simple here. So I choose the value 1, and the waveform is like it's just a sine wave, and it's sending it to the ctrlout. And just to be specific, you can choose that the signal is internal from Ppooll, and the routing out is the protocol is Midi, and here you can specify Max 1 or 2. It's on Max 2 now, and I can say which channel and some other things. I really don't know what that means, the port. So I did that. Then to monitor what's going out of the Ppooll, take a Midi monitor, and you can see if I punch in here that you got this modulation wheel from 0 to 127. Within the routing window of the ctrlout, you define your range. You can make it smaller, but it's from 0 to 127. This one you get for free, and that one is also there. I just didn't do anything with it. Inmax, Inmin, these two you fill in. You choose the type of signal, or command type, or whatever it's called. Choose the ctrlout. These I just also let like that. I don't know what happens if you change them. And then again here the minimum maximum values, and then the mode scale is perfect for what I want. And what I do then is on one of the two, so the second one is the constant overdubbing, and I want this feedback percentage to be altered. And you can make a MIDI learn here, right mouse click, learn the MIDI binding for that specific, then it becomes purple. That means it's active to receive. If I punch in the on, it received, it took the value. If I'm looking at the Sooperlooper settings, You can see it's in the Midi bindings. You can see it's listed here. It was already there once. And you can fill it again. You can see what happens. Right mouse click, learn Midi binding. There she goes. Okay, and then before all that, of course I forgot, you have a Midi patchbay or Midi patcher, and you of course set it from the input from max2 to output sooperlooper in, right? So that's the setup. And then I send the audio out. So I'm going to record and record a little bit. So like I said, it's coming in 3, and I route it to channel 4, the second loop, which is constantly in overdub. I can sort of like shorten this. It's pretty short already. Try to. If you do it manually, you have to really click really fast, but you can also write it. So you put it in overdub and right. Let's put it on. Here's another one.